So I'm shooting this video to test the pull request 714. Let me create a virtual environment with NiceGUI 1.2.6. Here, my environment will be in my USB G drive test folder. Okay, let me pip install NiceGUI 1.2.6. Now let me go to the pull request. Save this file as NiceGUI.py. And replace the original NiceGUI.py in my virtual environment. On Windows 10, it's inside the environment's lib site packages. Inside the original NiceGUI package, replace it with the pull request file. Now I'm going to test my app, test app1.py. Here you see that I added these lines to log any warning messages. Alright, go to the command prompt, activate the environment, and pip install all the packages required to run my app. Let me open idle to test my app. My app is just scraping text from whatever web page. Okay, now let's package it to a desktop program. So we need to activate the environment and pip install the PyInstaller. When it's done, you should see these three things in your destination folder. Here I just create a folder called test and put all these three things inside the test folder. To test the app, go to the dist folder and click the application file. I got an error message, so it might be due to missing some package folders. Go back to the environment folder, lib site package, and copy the package folders NiceGUI and those required to run the app. In this case, my app needs the request package. Copy and paste those folders to the newly created app. Click the app's application file to see if it works. Yep. Seems like the Starlette fix works pretty well on Windows 10.